a month's worth of social media content scheduled, created, posted by Claude Code. Here it is. Here's everything that I had. This is one prompt that I ran that created and scheduled and posted this stuff, including graphics. So this is an amazing workflow. I'm going to give you how to do it. I'm going to give you the workflow. I'm going to give you the prompts. I'm going to give you another prompt and SEO content strategy to pair with this one so you can improve your website traffic. I'm going to give you all the things. This is amazing. Let's go. All right, so here's what we're going to go over today, diving right in. We're going to go over the results, the tools needed, the strategy behind this. We're going to show you how to fully automate your social media with Claude Code, how to set it up. I'm going to give you the prompts, everything you need in this video. And a bonus, I'm going to give you a full SEO and content automation. So if you have a business, this is going to replace entire teams. It's going to save you thousands of hours. So here's some of the results of the people using this workflow. Here's one for a Facebook page, almost 1.2 million views of this fully automated workflow, right? That's all they are doing. They're not manually scheduling anything. They're not manually creating anything. It's kind of crazy. And then the SEO part of this, the businesses that are using this in conjunction with the SEO part that I'm gonna give you, you can see this traffic bump here. This is like a hockey stick growth of traffic for these businesses, doing this in conjunction with the social media flow that I'm gonna show you. You see almost over 6,000 in traffic, over really crazy. So what am I using to do this? So I'm using Claude Code, of course, and then I'm pairing it with two amazing platforms. I'm pairing it with Blotado for the social media post creation and visual image creation, infographic creation, really, really cool stuff. And then I'm using Arvow for the SEO automation part of it, the blog automation, the blog tracking, the auto posting. This is next level. Both of these combined with Claude are a powerhouse for any business, and it's really all you need. Again, this is in place, replacing entire social media teams. All right, so what do you need to do? So in order to run these workflows, I'm running these out of Claude in Visual Studio because you can save all the documents locally on your computer and just work from it that way. So that's how I run it. You can run it from Cursor. There's other ways to do it. So this is Visual Studio. This is kind of how it looks. So in order to get Visual Studio, you would just go to Visual Studio Code. Just search that in. It is completely free. Download this on your computer. And allows you basically, it's like the shell. It's like the human body, but the Claude brain is inside of it. So the shell allows you to keep everything organized inside of Claude on your computer, which is really, really nice. So once you have Visual Studio installed, it's going to kind of look like this. You would go to the apps down here, and then you would search for Claude. So if we search for Claude, it's going to come up. You're going to hit Claude. Make sure you click on the one by Anthropic. So you would click on it, and then basically here is the extension. You would just click on this little guy here to start your chat. So it works. It looks the same way as like doing Claude in like the browser or the desktop, but this is where you're going to work from. And then all the files that you create are going to be saved here on your computer. So the other thing that you want to do is create a folder on your computer and then open that folder. So all the files and all the workflows, all the skills that you create are going to be saved in that folder. And then you can just work from that folder for this specific project. If you have multiple businesses, multiple clients, you can have a folder for each one. So then when you go up here, you just do File, Open Folder, and then select the folder that you want all of your folders, all of your files to save in. And it's just going to keep everything organized, everything nice. And then Claude's going to know all the stuff in here and be able to interact with it, change it, update it, add to it, which makes it really nice. So the next thing that you want to do is there's a couple of workflows here, and this is where this becomes next level. So let's go over the full strategy. Well, let's go over the social media one. If you just want to do social media, you can use this prompt, right? And this is your social media master prompt. So basically, you're just going to copy and paste this into Claude. If you want all these prompts, just type prompt below, and I'll send you a web link that has all these prompts together. That'll make it a little bit easier for you to copy and paste. You don't have to put in your email or anything. It's just a web link. So anyways, this basically is going to create a skill, because you can create skills in Claude and then rerun them as many times as you want. It's going to use Blotado's API, but then basically it's going to learn your brand voice and then make social media posts for whatever social media channels you want. This says LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, but it just depends which ones you want, which ones that you can add to it, whatever you want. And it's going to use Blotado's API. So Once you paste this into Visual Studio Code, it's going to then ask you a couple of questions, and that's going to reference these API docs for Blotado, and then you're going to have to give it Blotado's API key. So this is all of my content scheduled for this month through Claude. Like, I have it running this automation. It is scheduling automatically this content. So if you want the API, just go here, copy the API key and give it there. And then at the bottom, there's accounts. You need to log in with whichever accounts that you want Claude to schedule via Blotado with. So log into all these accounts. It'll ask you for the account IDs once you have these logged in. And in conjunction with the API, it's going to create the social media post. So basically, you're going to run the Claude skill. It's going to create the social media posts, right? Then it's going to ask you for approval. Once it approves, then you tell it to schedule to Blotado via a time slot. You can set up specific time slots, or you can just tell it to schedule it today or a specific time that you want, whatever you tell it. So then once approved, it's going to push it to Blotado, and it's going to schedule for whatever time slots that you want. The other thing is Blotado has visual elements built in. So you can do just standard text posts, or since it connects with Blotado's API, you can tell it, I want you to create an infographic to go along with this post for Facebook, or I want you to create a whiteboard infographic, or even a slideshow. It can do videos. All of this can be done with Blotado. So here are all of the templates. So basically, once you have this set up, you can just tell Claude, I want you to create an image slideshow with text overlays for this post, or whatever, an infographic. Like, all of these are templates in here that you can just tell Claude the reference, because it can look at all the API documents. So that's what makes this next level, and it'll schedule all of your posts out. So really, really cool workflow. Literally all you have to do is just copy and paste this into Claude and then answer the questions that follows. Super, super simple. Now, the more advanced play here is to do social media and SEO. So this is what these guys are doing, because they're leveraging not only SEO from keywords and keyword research and gap analysis, but they're taking that content, they're creating it, and then turning it into social media posts and then posting on Blotado. So here's how the workflow goes, so it makes a little bit more sense. I know it's a little bit confusing. I'm gonna go over here's the master prompt that I'm gonna go over, but here's how the workflow works. And this is once you copy and paste, this includes the social media stuff. So here's how it goes. Basically, what this does is it runs a gap analysis here. Let's just talk about it with the prompt, just so it makes a little bit more sense, so I can try not to confuse you. So basically, it's giving it a role and objective, which is important, right? So that's number one, role and objective. Then it's asking for the business context. So everything about your business, URL. So it'll ask you these questions. All you have to do is copy and paste this into Claude Code, and I'll start asking you these questions. Then it's going to give you it's going to do a competitive analysis. So it's going to analyze your competition and identify SEO blog opportunities aligned with buyer intent and current offerings. It's going to identify content gaps, weak competitor gaps, keyword clusters, and ranking. Then it's going to come up with blog articles and supporting keywords for the SEO optimized blog creation, right? Then it's going to do a content generation pipeline. So it's going to prepare all the content and get it ready for publishing. And then it's going to actually publish this. It's going to ask for your Arvow API, but then it's going to publish the blog articles, create them in Arvow, use Arvow's brain SEO optimization, and then Arvow is going to create them and publish them to your website. So it's going to do this analysis, come up with a list of potential keywords and blog titles based on gaps in the market. That's going to send it to Arvow here, create the article. As you can see, here's one for like weekly lawn service in Miami. It already includes all the SEO bells and whistles, like the meta description, key takeaways, alt text, all this stuff that you'd have to inner work in that you don't want to have to do. Because Claude can create good articles, but it's not going to have the inner workings of SEO. So this does it all for you, and you can integrate, again, with your websites, which is nice. So you can go to configuration. Here's where you get the API key that Claude's going to ask you for to go to Arvow, and then you also do an integration with whatever website you have. So to integrate with that website. So it's going to send it to Blotado, create it, and then push it out to your website automatically, fully automated based on gaps in the market. So that's where this is next level. Now, the next part of this, which is really freaking cool is it then creates your social media content from your blog RSS feed. So you already did this analysis of your local competition and gaps in the market, and you're posting blog articles already that are SEO optimized. So then Claude is going to analyze your RSS feed, and then create the social media post from your RSS feed. So it's less random, right? It's not going to be random. It's already going to be optimized, and you're creating social media feed posts from it. And then you can do visual content. So you can have it pull real images from your website and blogs, or it'll create them for you, or you can ask Blotado to create them for you. So what I do is I create infographics to go with some of my blog articles that are basically conceptual based, that are more training. It'll create whiteboard infographics to go with those, or you can do it these ways. So you can refine that after you copy and paste this inside of Claude and ask those questions. You can tell it, I want you to do it this way, or I want you to do it another way. Then it's going to push those posts to Blotado via the API. And then here's some final quality control measures. So again, this is the prompt that you start with. You're going to copy and paste this entire prompt into Claude Code, and then basically create a skill. So I have a skill created. It's SEO content autopilot, right? So basically it created this skill from that prompt. So I could run this automatically. Once it creates a skill, you can just type in SEO content autopilot, or you can do the front slash. And then basically all it's going to do is ask me for the URL. So I would just include the URL for my business, right? And then it's going to run this and create the post. All right, so let's just do our URL here. We're just going to do search engine journal, because why not? We're talking about SEO stuff. So once I hit search engine journal, it is going to then go through that workflow. See, fetch homepage, sitemap, build the site profile, competitor discovery, gap analysis. It's going to do a SERP analysis, fire the Arvow API calls, and generate and publish, and then results report with the next. So this is everything that I just went over. And then once this is done, we can have it run the social media workflow from the RSS feed. So again, once this runs, then I'll tell it to run the weekly content plan for social media based on the RSS feed. I'm just going to run this. So now it's asking to fetch the URL. I'm just going to run this part. You guys get the idea. It's pretty simple. It's just going to ask you questions, and you're pretty much going to say yes to most of the things, right? It's just asking before it performs it, which is good. You don't want to make just random changes, especially if you're like going to update the document and refine it. This is a starting point, guys, but just remember, you have to go in here and kind of refine it over time and be specific with what you want it to change, especially like if you want to have images for social media. If you want to pull the images from your blog post, you can have it do that. If you wanted to pull the images from a folder inside your folder that you created, it can do that. If you wanted to create the infographics in Blotado, you can do that as well. You just got to tell it, I want you to create 2 infographics for this week's post, and then use 4 images from my blog post for the other post, whatever you want to do. So here we go. So there's no topics to exploit. So this is probably why shouldn't I use this website? Because it's an SEO website. But either way, once it runs this report, then you can tell it's going to create the gaps in the market, create the blog, titles and keywords, and then you run it, and then it's going to push it over to Arvow, and then from Arvow, push it over to your website. So it's going to need the Arvow API key, and you're going to have to make sure that the integration is set up to your website. And it's probably going to ask for the integration ID as well. So once you create that in Arvow to your website, just include the integration ID here with Claude to set it up. So that's it, guys. That is the full workflow. I'm not going to run the whole thing. I mean, because it all stems from this prompt here. But that's the gist of it. Again, it works perfectly. You're going to have to refine things here and there, but the main thing that you have to provide is your API keys for Blotado and Arvow. And then these are the companies, again, these companies are using that workflow to get these kind of results. So my clients, my businesses are getting the same type of results in terms of traffic. The other nice thing, this workflow helps you get shown on AI citations as well. Look at those citations, because the way that these blog articles are written are optimized for AI overviews. So they're written in a way that's super AI friendly, and you're targeting those bottom of the funnel long tail keyword search terms. So, and then Arvow, Arvow does a really good job of creating the articles in an SEO friendly way that's also LLM friendly way. And the other thing, I forgot to mention this, is the other thing is you can set this up to include your brand assets. So you can have your knowledge base, you can have your website here, you can internally link here, add your sitemap, add your own images, add your own YouTube or videos if you want, and it'll use, so when it's sending this information, Claude sending the information to Arvow, Arvow is then using that together. So it's creating brand tailored content. So it's not just random AI garbage. It's using both Arvow's SEO brain, Claude's brain, and then your own assets to create tailored content. If you were to do this on your own, it's going to take you hours and hours of time. So this makes it really, really easy. So hopefully it helps you guys out. Type prompt. I'll send you a link to those prompts. If you have any questions as well, let me know. Pretty easy workflow, just a couple of minutes to set this up, and then you just save it as a skill, and then you just run it every single time that you want this to fire off your blog content and your week's worth or months worth of social media content, whatever you guys want to do. So hopefully it helps you guys out.